Get to see the boys. I'm tailing right now. Hi, boys. Good morning. Hi, dude. You're so cute, dude. Look at that face. How could anybody not love it? Wanna go see Shiloh? Shy! Hi, Shy. Look at those eyes. Hi, Shy. Hi, Shy. I love you. Let's go over here. Taking you guys with me. I miss you a lot. I think about you all the time. I'm almost gonna start. Pinch my finger. Start doing this. Okay. We're almost getting soaked. Perfect timing. I'm gonna come outside. It's pretty though. Look. Everything's nice and green. Hope I don't make you dizzy. Sorry. Mama said there'd be days like this. Mama said, Mama said, Mama said. I was in a really bad mood till I came out here and started talking to you guys. So, just want you to know I love you. Boys! You're like, we're not coming. I think I opened it the wrong way. Yeah, I need to do it this way. Wrong direction. There we go. It's open. Now you can go in there and eat that grass. There's not a lot in there. Just enough. Listen. I love the sound. I love you guys. I'll put this on my YouTube so you can watch it.